In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video into your Wix website effortlessly in just a few minutes. If you're looking to spice up your site with engaging multimedia, embedding a video is a great way to start. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. This will take you to your site's dashboard, which is essentially the control center for managing your website. Once you're at the dashboard, find and open the Wix editor. The editor is your playground for designing and modifying your website's layout and content. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side. You'll see a variety of options there, but what we're interested in today is adding elements. So go ahead and click on Add Elements. This menu is your gateway to a wide range of media options you can include on your site. Scroll through the options until you find Embed Code. Clicking this will allow you to integrate various forms of media via scripts and codes. Next, you'll want to select Wix Single Video Players. This option provides you with a simple yet powerful tool to add standalone video players on your page. Once you've clicked on Wix Single Video Players, you'll be able to see different styles and formats to choose from. Pick the one that best fits your page's aesthetic and drag it onto the page where you wish it to display. This is quite intuitive. Just click, hold, and drag, then drop it where it seems most appropriate for your audience's eyes. After placing your video player, it's time to personalize it. Click on the Change Video button. This area allows you to upload your video or embed a video link from platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure the video you select is high quality and has your desired content, as this is now the spotlight feature of your page. Having set everything up, it's wise to preview your work. Click on Preview to see how the video integrates with the rest of your content. Make sure it appears exactly how you want it. Testing functionality is crucial here, ensuring the video plays correctly and enhances the user experience. Finally, once you're satisfied with the way everything looks and performs, go ahead and publish your website changes. Click on Publish, and voila! Your site now features a beautifully embedded video ready for the world to see. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a video into your Wix website, adding a dynamic touch that surely captivates your visitors. Thanks for following along, and I hope your newly enhanced website boosts your online presence in leaps and bounds.